Hello. Oh, the box keeps disappearing when I go away. Hello. Welcome to a new unboxing video. This is my first time using this mic, trying it out and trying to see if it'll work with my Mac. Here's to nothing. I hope it doesn't literally ruin all the footage. But today I have right now I'm showing it on my Zoom camera, but right now I have a bunch of Pop Mart figures that I've ordered because they had a huge sale, multiple sales this summer, during June and July. So let's put that here. So they had a bunch of sales and promotions in June and July. Although crazily enough, look at how beat up this box is. I think it's too big. Oh no, I can show it up here. The box is so beat up, so I hope the stuff inside is okay. So yeah, but they had a huge promotion. So what it was is if you spend a certain amount, they'll give you a free item inside. So I did the one where I would get a free pin. That's what it was. It was a free pin. So I'm gonna try open this off camera first because the box is literally so beaten up, but I wanted to save it to show how bad it was. Some of the boxes are actually kind of smashed. Let's see. Yeah, they're not looking so hot. Oh, I forgot I have to show it over here. Yeah, so these are some of the boxes that I just pulled out. They're not looking too good. Oh, this one's fine. This is the freebie one I got. So it's the Dimoo Zodiac series. This is the free pin I got because I spent, I believe it was $30. But this box is okay. So it's just these two, or yeah, these boxes that were not looking so hot. Okay, so move this over. Oh, I keep hitting the camera. Oh. I'm gonna open it off camera. The Pop Mart boxes are so cute though. I love how they always send it in these cute boxes. Oh, look at this. Oh, that's so adorable. The two little, I think it's Dimoo. Yeah, they're Dimoo characters. Aww. And then this is just an extra one I got. I'm wondering if I should save the Dimoo character. Maybe I will. I'll hang it on my wall later. So today we have a bunch of boxes. So I have 3 of the Bobo and Coco constellation. I actually think this one's new because I haven't seen it before on the Pop Mart AliExpress store, which is where I buy them. So I think this one is relatively new. They just brought it in. I think it's the Western Zodiac. So stop shaking the camera. These are the possible ones you can get. I don't know where to put it right now. Oh, sorry, my face. So those are the ones you can get. I got 3 because, as you know, or if you haven't watched my other unboxing video, I just really love any Zodiac stuff. So that's why I always buy Zodiac blind boxes because it's just really fun. And then I wanted to try out Hypepanda. So Hypepanda is a new artist with Pop Mart. Before they only had a Halloween collection, but recently they've been releasing a lot of new collections for Hypepanda. So I really wanted to get one because I like the artist style and the figures look really detailed. You can tell they have a lot of stuff going on the figure. I'll show you. So these are the possible ones you can get. I might have to put in a picture because the box is just so smashed up it's hard to see. And then here is the free Dimoo Zodiac series pin that comes with my purchase because I spent $30. So these are the possible ones you can get. I believe it's the same as there's a regular figurine series for the Dimoo. For the Zodiac series, this is just the pin version of it. So what to open first? Okay, let's go with the Hypepanda because I only have one Hypepanda, so let's open that one first. But yeah, let's go see what we got. It was funny because last time I said, oh, I don't want this figurine, and then I ended up getting it. And it was so ironic and funny. It was I don't want this figurine, and then I got it and I was like, well, that's karma for you. Oh, I thought I spoiled myself. Okay, so this is a stand. It just says Skullpanda. I forgot that they have cards in here that you can accidentally spoil yourself with, so let's not do that. Let's go like this. Ooh, okay, so we got, who is this? Oh, there's a milk tea girl. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. That's not what we got though. We got We got fashion icon front. She's on the front of the box. That's why she's not on the side over here, which is what I was looking at. I usually, yeah, that's a common thing that's been happening to me lately is I've been getting the ones on the front of the box, which like I don't mind. I just forget that it's an option because it's on the front of the box, they don't show it on the side with everything else. So I just keep forgetting. She's pretty cute though. Not the one I wanted like really badly, but I still like it. Let's open up this stand so we can, oh gosh, that just flew out. Put him, they on the stand. Does it say the gender? No. Guess gotta use gender neutral stuff. Okay, I like how it goes on the stand. The Nancy figures I have don't stand well on their stands at all, so this one is very good actually. Oh, I like this. This is adorable. Look at the hood. That's a huge hood, by the way. Like, this is humongous, honestly. But yep, this is the figure. Just gonna turn it around. Sorry, my lighting is just so garbage right now. We'll put that here, or here, there. Next, I guess I'll open the Dimoo Zodiac series next. I keep opening it wrong. There's a pull tab right over here, and I just like rip it open like some sort of barbarian. Okay, there we go. Ooh, we got Gemini. Oh, that's so pretty. This is gonna go on my bag. I just got a new bag to specifically like put pins and keychains on. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be such a nice addition. Oh, I keep hitting the camera. This tripod sucks. I really need to get a new one. Okay. This is Bobo and Coco now. So we have 3 boxes of the Bobo and Coco. My zodiac sign is Virgo. So I'd really like to get Virgo, which is right over here. Oh, let me get one that's like not totally smashed up. Okay, so right here is Virgo. I'd really like to get Virgo, but I also love the Taurus, the style. And honestly, all of them are really cute, so I wouldn't mind. I just don't really care for Leo just because I don't like the lion's mane they have going on right over there. Where is the, okay, pull tab. I gotta remember the pull tab this time. You don't look at the card. There we go. Oh, this is huge. Oh, I guess because it's a plush. Sorry, I forgot to mention it's a plush keychain. It's not actually a figurine, which is why I got it, because I really was interested in like something different, because I can't really like take figurines around with me. I like how like the pin and the plush I can actually like take around and get use out of it. So that's why I ordered like 3 compared to like the one figure right over here. Oh my gosh. The one I said, I don't like it. Oh my god. This keeps happening to me. Honestly, it's not bad. It's just yellow and orange is not my color. I'm more of a cool tone, cool color person. So that's fun. Okay, so it also comes with the little Coco character. And it just has the Leo sign on the back. This is what the I keep forgetting to show it. There's just the crown on top, the hair, and then a little like ribbon medallion thing, and then the body is just yellow. Don't care much for it. I might have to put that on like a bag that's not like, most of my bags are like black and stuff, so I don't know if it'll match because I put like I said, purple, blue, like cool colored stuff on my bags. I don't know if it would match. Okay, next box. Now, let's get this out. Oh, don't look at the card. Keep forgetting. And then I keep forgetting. Ooh, we got Cancer. Cancer is so cute. Oh, what is this on the face, though? What the? Is that just from... Oh, okay, that was just... I thought that was like permanent. Okay, that was just from like packaging or like whatever. So it's a crab. And then here's a little Coco figure. It's a mini crab with the Cancer sign on it. This is great because I am actually a Cancer rising. So it goes with my zodiac. Although the only thing is that it's also brightly colored in orange. So, oh my gosh. It's okay. It's cute, you know? That's my justification. We're still hoping for Virgo or Taurus though, guys. Virgo or Taurus, we gotta manifest that in. Last box. Virgo or Taurus, please. Please. Let's see what I got, guys. Period. Oh my gosh, I have that song, the audio stuck in my head. 5, 6, 7, and then it's like the TikTok thing. Oh, is this Aquarius or Pisces? I think it's Aquarius. Yeah, we got Aquarius. Although like the hair is like, what is like this for? I'm so confused. But anyways, this is Aquarius. I love the little star and pearls on top, and then it looks like they're in like a vase or some sort of teacup kind of thing, which I think is what okay, because Aquarius is a air sign, it's not a water sign, so Aquarius is like the container that carries the water. That's why it's called Aquarius, so that's why I think it's in a vase. And then here's the little Coco to come with it, with Aquarius in the back, and this one just has pigtails. I don't like the pigtails, like it's weird. But anyway, that's that. I'll put it here. That. So that was our unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. I do have other unboxing videos. I have more Pop Mart items, and if you're interested in real life stuff, I would do a lot of Nancy unboxings. I don't really unbox anything else from real life though, so yeah, you can check that out. I have a whole playlist. This will probably be in the playlist, so you can go check that out, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.